Alright, so the footage kind of got messed up here, but it doesn't really matter. This was a failed New York trip. I just went there and back, but I'll continue to present. Alright, so as you guys see, something pretty decent. Nice 740i M Sport, and it has the staggered M parallels on it, mud flaps, everything's like all optioned out. It's pretty clean. Has one little issue that I'm gonna get addressed, which is like the copper gasket in there, but it tries finding everything like that for now. So that's all. But here we go. This is the new build for the channel, and what it's going to be is a VIP car. As you guys can see, that's a really nice big body land yacht. So you guys already know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be crazy. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. And as you guys can see, it has the cell phone in there, and it does work. And the interior is really nice. Has satellite radio and all that stuff. When you put the plate on, I'll start it up for you guys, and I'll show you guys around it and whatnot. But yeah. Nice and quiet. If there was smell-o-vision, you guys would be able to smell the I'll get a little bit of a leak, but yeah, I'm really not worried about that, so I'll get that done. As you can see, engine bay is clean, and then it has like a little bit of a leak, and that's in one of like the little seals, so that's gonna get fixed, and then that'll literally be it. Like that, everything else on the car is absolutely perfect. And with this, I actually didn't mind the fact that it needed something to be done on the engine because it runs perfect. All the components are new, so I don't have to worry about anything like that. And it's just like the body of the car is basically immaculate. It was garage kept. There's no rust. There's no nothing. So yeah, and it comes with the M parallel wheels, no curb rash, new tires, and I'm already gonna probably get rid of those for like maybe like $1,000 even, which is usually what they go for. And let me see, I think this is how you open it. I don't recall. Oh, here we go. It's like the soft open. I don't remember how to get in there. Give me a second. Okay, it's down there. Literally the factory M Sport spare with a brand new tire. Like, this car is basically immaculate. Like, that's the thing. Like, even these things, the jams and everything, they're not that dirty at all. And I think this is the soft close. Like, man. Alright, and I don't know if I said it before, but this is the 740i M Sport, not the 740i or 740iL. I is just the individual, IL is individual, lim was whatever, limousine. But yeah, so this one has all the sport features, sport steering wheel, and like better suspension. I believe it may have like some better braces and a couple things like that. But yeah, this car was very well taken care of. It's only 2 owners, only 174,000 miles, so yeah. And then if you guys are wondering, one second, the E36 is still here. Hopefully we could get some work done on it later tomorrow, sometime soon, so I can get this thing running again. But I took it off the insurance for now because I'm pretty sure it's going to be down for another 3 weeks or so. So in that 3 weeks, I can get, you know, the couple bucks to put this back on the insurance, and then I'll be all set. But yeah, the E36 has a whole bunch of new parts, so I don't have to worry about anything. I want, for when we put the supercharger on, yeah, everything is perfect. There's nothing I would have to worry about, and I'll be all good. And you guys know that I already have the bags for the E36, and I, you know, I got the wheels as you guys saw in one of the last videos. So the E36 is basically all set parts wise. The only thing I'm going to need is supercharger things, and that's going to be, you know, actually, you know what? Let me end this video right here, and we can talk about the E36 in another video. How about that? So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. The VIP build is here, so you already know you got to go crazy with it. I might back, you know what, let me not talk about it. Just know the VIP build is here, and we have a good start point, and you guys do not want to miss out on this. So drink water, mother.